Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Amazon Associates Deep Links with API-less setup, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Amazon Associates Deep Links with an API-less setup, begin by accessing your Amazon Associates account. Log in with your credentials to reach the main dashboard. Navigate to the Product Linking section on the left sidebar. Select Banners to find promotional options available for deep linking. Choose the Link to any page option, which allows you to create custom links. Enter the URL of the product page you want to promote. Once you've entered the URL, select the desired tracking ID from the drop-down menu. Review the settings to ensure everything is correct. Click the Get Link button to generate your deep link. You will see a preview of your link along with options for text link or image link. Copy the link provided in the box next to text or image as per your choice. Now, paste this link into your content where you want to promote the product. If you prefer a shorter link, use a URL shortener to make it more user-friendly. Ensure you test the link after you've added it to verify it directs correctly to the product page. By following these steps, you can successfully activate Amazon Associates Deep Links without the need for API integration. This method simplifies the linking process while still providing the necessary tracking for your affiliate sales. Remember to stay updated with any changes in Amazon Associates policies or procedures to ensure continued compliance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.